Do you ever feel so overwhelmed with what a mess your house is that you just don't even know where to start your cleaning? I feel you. That is how I feel today. My name is Brianna. Welcome to my channel. I hope you click that red subscribe button if you're new while you watch. But I'm going to be sharing with you the 7 things to clean around your home every single day so that you have an easy, quick, daily cleaning routine to stay on top of the mess and feel less overwhelmed. And something I'm going to do in today's video that I don't normally do in my Clean With Me videos, I'm going to show you the actual time that it takes me to do the 7 things that I'm going to clean. So I'm going to start my timer. Now, the very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to be making the bed. But this way I figure you can see what the real time it takes to do everything is, so hopefully it can feel a little less overwhelming. All right, next thing on my list is the bathrooms. I want to do a good wipe down of the counters and the sinks and like faucet handles and all that every single day so it's nice, clean, and disinfected. And starting my timer. Another minute and 30 seconds to do like a very quick disinfecting wipe down of the bathroom counters and sinks. All right, and now for our family room area, I just always need to do a quick tidying here because it can be such an eyesore if I see that everything is a mess in the family room. So I'm gonna start my stopwatch, get to tidying.
Talking to you, and here we go again. Staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign.
It was another minute and 55 seconds to do the tidy of the family room. So far from doing the math, let's see, it was about 3 minutes, another 5 minutes of cleaning so far. So see, like, it can feel so overwhelming when you get up, but then when you actually are like, okay, it just took me 5 minutes, I'm like, this room feels nice and clean now. Bed's made, bathroom's clean. It's like, okay, we can keep going. Something I think would be really fun is for you to time yourself as you go through this routine with me and then come back and let us know in the comments how long it actually took for you to do all these things too. Just as like sort of a fun experiment. I'm kind of like curious to see. But before I make dinner, I do need to do like a little tidy up of the kitchen. It's a mess. I've got a bunch of dishes in the sink. So we'll start the timer, see how long this takes.
So give me a sign, give me a sign, oh, baby, just give me a sign, baby, give me a sign, just give me one more, talking to you and here we go again, staying up all night to see if
pausing just a second, it took me 2 minutes. I'm gonna move this camera over to do the dishes. Okay, starting the timer.
So give me a sign, oh, baby, just give me a sign. Just give me one more, talking to you and here we go again, staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. Yeah, give me a sign. Yeah, give me a sign. Just give me a sign.
Okay, I just had a realization that this is probably why I hate doing the dishes so much, because it took 10 minutes to like load the dishwasher, scrub the sink, do all of that. So that does take a little bit more time, but it is done. So I feel like, okay, I have a clean kitchen now so that I can start cooking dinner. I'm cooking up these white cheddar Wonder Burgers and I'm so excited because they have Old Bay fries. It reminds me of when I lived in Maryland. And I don't know about you, but meal planning can also sometimes feel really overwhelming and stress me out, which is why I absolutely love HelloFresh, and a huge thank you to HelloFresh for sponsoring this video today. But the fact that HelloFresh like saves me so much time when it comes to just meal planning, also cooking, there's like a ton of recipe options that are 20-minute quick and easy meals. I'm gonna get started cooking dinner and I'll tell you a little bit more about HelloFresh while I cook. So HelloFresh delivers the most delicious seasonal recipes and fresh, pre-measured ingredients right to your door. I mean, there's a reason it's America's #1 meal kit. And this was honestly the best burger of my life. I'm not joking. Adam said the same exact thing too. I just love that there are so many 5-star recipes to choose from each week, so you are never bored. The recipes are very easy to follow. Most meals will take around 30 minutes to make, but like I mentioned, you can get the quick and easy ones to have 10 or 20-minute meals. meals. And you save so much time grocery shopping, so much time meal planning, and you can save up to 28% on your meals versus if you grocery shop for all of the items yourself. There's 50 menu items a week to choose from. It's just a total win for me, and I love that I can change up my delivery days whenever I need to, like if we're going to be out of town. HelloFresh is very flexible and it just fits so easily into our lifestyle. Plus, I love that HelloFresh is committed to giving back. They've donated over 4 million meals to charity in 2020, so it makes me so happy to order from HelloFresh. It's like one of the greatest burgers of my life. So good. I feel like I have it all over my face. If you go to HelloFresh.com, you can use my code BriannaK14 and you will get 14 free meals plus free shipping. I have it linked down in my description box below. All right, now that dinner is over, I'm just gonna finish doing like the counters and cleaning up the kitchen, so restarting my timer.
Feels like time is going faster than it seems. We were just two kids who were trying to live the teenage dream. We could see no reason why we should ever try to go to sleep. Remember every weekend we stayed up late and then went home to me. I wish that I could live that dream again. 'Cause it was only you and me back then.
Okay, I just hit stop on the timer and it's showing like 16 because that's like the 10 minutes earlier from when I did the dishes. So another 6, so we are at 16 plus the 5, so 21 minutes so far, and there's 3 more things to do. So now I'm just gonna empty the trash. I feel like it's something easy you can do every single day so that your home stays smelling fresh and clean. So timer started. Recycling is good, it doesn't need to go out yet. Sorry, didn't focus there. It was not even a minute to take the trash out. Next thing, I just want to do a very quick sweep of the floor, so starting my timer.
Baby, it was you and me.
You can see it took just over 4 minutes to vacuum both of the floors down here. I always like to do the kitchen because I feel like there's always a ton of crumbs, especially after cooking. And I always like doing the family room because right now Hayden's learning how to crawl, so he's always on the floor. So it just gives me peace of mind to make sure like everything's vacuumed up. But 4 minutes for vacuuming both of these rooms. And the last thing to clean around your home every single day is a load of laundry. So I'm gonna fold this load. Got my timer started.
Baby, it was you and me. We could never fall, nobody could break us. Yeah, I thought we had it all. Take me back to when it was you and me, baby, it was you and me.
All right, so for folding this basket of laundry, it was 2 minutes and 30 seconds. All right, I'm gonna do a fast recap of the 7 things you should be cleaning around your home so that you can have a quick and easy daily cleaning routine. I have my notes on my phone in case I forget. So the bedroom, making the bed took us 1.5 minutes. Then the disinfecting of the bathroom, the like sinks and the countertops also took 1.5 minutes. Then tidying up the family room was 2 minutes, so that's 5 minutes. Then the kitchen took 10 minutes because I had to do the dishes and that took just a little bit longer. And then after dinner it was another 6 minutes. So that puts us at 21 minutes, if my math is correct. And then 1 minute to empty the trash. And then it took 4 minutes to sweep the floors in the kitchen and the family room. And then 2.5 minutes to fold a load of laundry. So 28.5 minutes total, so under a half hour, which I feel like seems just like really manageable because I don't know about you, but on like days when I'm feeling, whether it's like anxiety or depression, I can either feel really paralyzed or I can feel just so overwhelmed. And I think knowing, okay, it could take 28 minutes for me to just kind of get my house back in a little bit of order and feel less overwhelmed is just like a nice little nudge and reminder that I don't have to do it all. It doesn't have to be perfect. I still have loads of laundry to fold. I still have dishes in the sink. Like don't make yourself crazy thinking that you have to do it all or do extreme deep cleans every single day. You don't. There's a time and a place for that. And when you have the energy to do it, go for it. I encourage you. But you know, sometimes you just need that little like, okay, in 30 minutes, I can have my house reset and I can have my mind reset and I can feel so much better. So I hope that this video helped you. If it did, click the thumbs up so that I know, and share it with a friend if you have any other friends who maybe are feeling similarly. I hope that this video can help them as well. And don't forget to check out HelloFresh, because that can definitely help kind of ease some of the stress when it comes to meal planning and dinner time as well for you and your family. It's all the information is in my description box below. So I will see you in my next video. Make sure you're subscribed and have your notifications on so you don't miss it. Bye, love.
I got to know if you feel the things I do. I might need